I want you to do something for me before I let you go. This is your assignment. I need you to take every act, everything that makes you act. I need you to write it down. Guys, if any of you have my trading poker cards, even better. You don't have to write down. If you don't, all right, you're going to write down. I need you to, everything that makes you act, I need you to write it down, and I want you to number them. So an elephant bar makes you act. Okay? An elephant bar plus makes you act. I want them numbered. An elephant bar plus clearing makes you act. These are three different things. Okay? And four, an elephant bar off the 200 makes you act. That's a separate thing. That would be this, right? Elephant bar off the 200. Now, the more of these things line up, wow, the combinations are crazy. But list them. You know, tail bar makes me act. 180, above 180 makes me, list whatever makes you act. Now, once you have this list complete, the first thing is to make sure whenever you act, it better be one of these things on the list. Do you understand? That's the first thing. If you are acting and you can't say that's number 3, if you are acting and you can't say that's number 6, if you're acting and you can't say that's number 1, if you can't point to one of your items, you're gambling, you're not trading. So that's the first thing. Write it down. And I want it physical. I want, if you got the poker cards, lay every single card out in front of you that you act on. And whenever you make a trade, I want you to make sure you can point to, that's card number 2, that's card number 5, that's card number 7. Whatever it is, you better be able to point to one of those cards, because if you are acting and it's not one of them, you're gambling, you're not trading. Now, the second thing, now that you got step number 1 of your assignment done, list everything out, put it on a piece of paper, or put the cards in front of your face. I want the piece of paper to look back at you. I want that piece of paper to look back at you and say, now what? Now what, James? If your name is James, now what? What are you going to do with me? You wrote me down, now what? I want that piece of paper to challenge you every time you look at it. I want those trading poker cards to gain life and look at you, each one of the cards, saying, okay, what's next? When you write something down like that, it gains a life of its own. It gains a character, a personality of its own. It challenges you every time you look at it. It defies you and says, are you going to do me or not? You created me. So are you going to ignore me, or are you going to do me? Write it down. Now, step number 2, you're going to assign lot sizes to each one of these scenarios that you have written down. You've got every single thing that will make you risk your life. What's your life? Your money. You've written down the 7 or whatever number it is. You've written down the only things that will make you risk your life. You've got them written down. They're looking at you. They're looking back at you. You're going to risk your life only on these things. Now, but how much of your life are you going to risk? We need to know that too. Are you going to risk 1 unit of your life, 1 lot? If your total life represents 5 lots, then how many lots assigned to 1? How many lots assigned to 2? You follow what I'm saying? Give the very special ones a little bit more of your life. Give the normal ones. Normal doesn't mean bad, just means good normal. Give them 1 unit of your life. Give normal plus 2 units of your life. Now, before you can do this, you might have to have a period of experience of just doing 1 lot of your life on all of them, and let the numbers begin to tell you which ones do I suck at the most, the least unit of your life, which ones produce the biggest gains, a little bit more of your life, which ones have the highest degree of accuracy, a little bit more of your life. What's my wow event? Which one is like, wow? Find that one, traders. Your numbers, don't guess at it. Don't make it a theory. Don't say, I think this is going to be my wow event. No, let numbers show you. Do this for a while with 1 lot. Let the numbers after a period of time reveal the wow event. And you know what? Put all of your life in that one. But you're doing it intelligently. Listen, guys, in life, there's a time to put all the chips on the table. There's a time to risk it all intelligently. It's the only way to become big. But you got to know when it's time to do it. And you're going to let your numbers, you're going to let your history, you're going to let your personal record give you the empirical evidence of what's my wow event. And so you're going to know which ones are 1 lots, which ones are 2 lots, which ones are 3, 4, and which ones are the mega 5. Or you could do something like, here's 1, 3, and 5. I have 3 levels of trades. This is reserved for my wow. This is for the extra pluses, and this is for the normals. These are normal ones. These are normal pluses, and this is my wow event. And now you are playing this game intelligently. Now you are playing this game thoughtfully. Now you are playing this game scientifically and not like a freaking idiot saying, duh.